Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs the latest iOS and checking battery health percentage, so you know if capacity is the issue. Next, enable low power mode and turn off background app refresh for apps that consume data. This stops sneaky background drain. Restart the phone to clear stalled processes and briefly toggle location services and Bluetooth off to force apps to reconnect cleanly. This often cuts immediate wake-ups and reduces power use right away. Once done with basics, update all apps and identify culprits in Settings Battery. Force close or uninstall apps showing unusually high background activity because updates or bad versions often leak power. Turn off push mail and reduce notifications so apps stop waking the screen. Remove unused widgets and disable auto-updates on cellular. Also lower screen brightness. Shorten auto lock to 30 seconds or 1 minute, and consider disabling 5G temporarily. These display and connection changes greatly reduce To finish, calibrate the battery by charging to 100% and letting it drain to 0 once, then charge uninterrupted to recalibrate the reporting. If issues persist, reset all settings first. If that fails, back up and perform a factory reset to eliminate software corruption. Check Settings Privacy Analytics for repeating crash logs. If you still see fast drain, arrange an Apple Diagnostics check or battery replacement. Hardware failure is a common final cause when software steps don't help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.